Nowadays, cataract is a common problem, but its treatment has become much more safer and advanced than before. Earlier, where traditional methods were used, now they have been replaced by robotic cataract surgery, which is completely bladeless, painless, and highly precise. The latest and the safest technology available today is called Zimmer Femto Z8 Neo. This is a US FDA approved machine and the first hospital to introduce it in North India is Imanta. Robotic cataract surgery is basically an AI-guided process in which no blade is used. All steps are performed through laser and AI, which ensures accuracy and safety. Because of this, patient feels no pain during surgery and recovery time is also very minimal. The surgery begins with eye cleaning. First, the eye is gently cleaned and anesthetic drops are instilled so that the patient does not feel any kind of pain. After this, Femto Z8 machine is docked onto the eye. The very first step is bladeless corneal incision. With the help of laser, a small and perfectly accurate cut is made. Since this cut is made without a blade and the laser uses very low energy, the chances of pain, discomfort or infection after surgery are very low. The next step is precise capsulotomy, in which the laser creates a perfectly round and center-aligned opening. This allows the artificial lens to fit in exact position, ensuring long-term vision clarity. Then comes low-energy lens fragmentation. The natural lens is broken into pizza slice pattern with the help of laser. The biggest advantage of Z8 Neo is that it uses ultra-low energy, which minimizes the chances of swelling in the eye and keeps the surrounding tissue completely safe. Because of this, recovery is very fast and smooth. The final step is smooth lens implantation. Since both capsulotomy and fragmentation are precise, the placement of artificial lens is absolutely perfect. The surgery is completed in just 10 minutes and patient does not feel any kind of pain. The best part is that while other hospitals charge up to 50,000 for robotic cataract surgery, at Imanta, the surgery starts at only 25,000. The cost of lens depends on the lens you choose. If you are suffering from cataract and want the safest and most advanced treatment, then call Imanta's helpline today and book a free consultation. If you have any doubt or question, you can ask us in the comments.